Yes, we are talking about LED mask facial today. I have been getting a lot of requests to talk about this particular facial, probably because it's quite in vogue these days. And when we are locked in our houses, literally, then all you can do is to look for home-based devices that can rejuvenate your skin and maintain your skin so that whatever hard work you have put onto your skin for so many years doesn't go down the drain. So watch this video to find out everything about LED mask facial. So what exactly is this LED therapy? It stands for light-emitting diode. So it's a light-based therapy. So I'm inserting a picture out here, and if you see that light, although it sounds very simple, is quite complicated. So if you look into this picture, and you would see that the visible light is comprised of different wavelengths of light which corresponds to a particular color. At one spectrum is the blue light, while at the other spectrum is the red light. And as you can see, the red light can penetrate deeper, and because of that, it can be used for its anti-aging benefit because it can go deeper down into your skin up till the dermis and promotes collagen and elastin formation. For the same reason, it's also used for skin rejuvenation because it will eventually, over a period of time, improve your skin texture as well. Blue light, which is on the other spectrum, is much more superficial and can only work on the superficial appendages of the skin like your sebaceous glands and therefore acne. But does it really work, or is it a marketing gimmick? The efficacy will not just depend upon this therapy, it will also depend upon the type of LED therapy that you're using. Yes, obviously the commonest one is the LED mask, but yes, it is in the form of panel as well, and also handheld devices. The exact effectiveness will depend upon the duration of exposure of this light. It also will depend upon the number of light emitting diodes that is present in the mask, and also the actual device that you are using. It's completely safe. There is no harm whatsoever to your eyes. It's a US FDA approved treatment, meaning to say it is safe as well as effective. But how do you use it exactly? The simplest way is to use it at home. You can get this LED mask facial and just wear it like a mask on it, and you're good to go. Red light for rejuvenation, blue light if you have acne. The typical time of keeping this mask is for 3 to 10 minutes and not more than that. Also, it's a good idea to combine this LED mask with some kinds of exfoliation. Either a physical exfoliation in the form of your homemade scrub, or a chemical exfoliation like a home-based peel, or even your AHA, BHA containing face washes. This will remove the superficial layers of the skin and will enhance penetration of this light. The other way to use this is to use this with retinol-based anti-aging cream. Use this mask immediately after you have applied retinol or 1 hour later to get the best of best benefits. So tell me in the comment section today that how are you planning to use this LED mask this lockdown. So much for today, guys. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.